If you love planes, trains and automobiles, then a career in the automotive industry could be for you. Coleg Gwent's motor vehicles courses are wide-ranging and fulfil many different skills and interests, giving you the skills needed to jumpstart your career. With our Automotive Technician Accreditation Centre and some of the best facilities in the country, Coleg Gwent is considered one of the leading training providers for the automotive industry in South Wales. You'll get hands-on experience performing diagnostic work and inspections, carrying out wheel alignment and exhaust replacement, looking at braking systems, batteries and suspension. We've got the very latest in electric car technology, so you'll have the chance to work on our brand new Tesla and BMW, so you'll be right up to date with all the latest developments in this fast-moving environment. Coleg Gwent is also part of the WorldSkills UK Centre of Excellence programme, and you'll have a chance to compete on a national level to showcase your skills. Our team of experts will help you gain the knowledge, skills and experience required to go on to find employment in garages, transport companies and haulage companies. Your skills could also take you abroad. Whatever career path you choose to pursue once you leave us, you can be confident you've learnt amongst the best. Find out more about our motor vehicles courses via our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.